wonderful. It's Ilana, and welcome to our Breathe for Beginnings Transformation of Self guided meditation. So to begin, let's find ourselves in a comfortable position. Perhaps it's a seated position where you elevate your hips over your knees, or maybe you're in constructive rest on your back with your feet planted, knees bent, or maybe you're just lying down or even standing up, whatever feels comfortable for you right now. And as you find that comfortable position, I invite you to find a point in front of you to focus your gaze, or perhaps you close your eyes and connect to your breath, observing and accepting each inhalation and each exhalation, drawing your awareness to the sensations that are arising in your body as you begin to explore what new beginnings you truly want for yourself. So bringing one hand to your heart and the other over that hand, connecting to that beautiful heart of yours. And as you continue to breathe, I invite you to consider, what new beginnings do I truly, deeply want for myself? If I could have it all, what would my life look like? Maybe you visualize yourself working through any obstacles that are in the way of you fulfilling on this new beginning. Letting go of any fear that's stopping you to create more space in your life to truly create all that you want for yourself and your well-being. In the next few moments, truly seeing yourself walking into this new path. Creating and fulfilling on the intentions that you truly want for you, not anyone else. And simply allowing yourself, giving yourself permission to focus on you and what you deserve, what you want, what you need. To walk into this next cycle of transformation with an open heart and a calm mind. So allowing yourself to feel this vision, this new beginning, move throughout your body. Noticing what sensations are arising in your body as you see, as you observe, as you experience yourself living out this new vision, this new beginning for yourself. As you see this beautiful vision unfolding before you, I invite you to just take 3 collective breaths of new beginnings for you. Inhale and exhale. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and let it go. Now rub this vision, this intention for yourself into your heart. And then if your eyes are closed, you can gently open them. And I hope that this meditation for you and your new beginnings truly sets you up to fulfill all of the dreams that you have for yourself. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.